So what are we going to draw today?
A kid.
A kid? You mean a little guy?
Not a little guy, baby goat.
So let's start. Like we're gonna have something like that, and going around just to shape the hat a bit, and you will see why I have done it this way in a moment. And then okay, we have the ears, so let's say something like that. Yep. And on the other side as well, so let's say this way. Okay, that's good enough. And the reason why I have left some space in here, it's because obviously there will be a lot of fur for this kind of animal, so we are going to having it like this way, and on the other side as well we can go here and can go there. So it's a little bit not straight, let's say. And then they have a sort of a beard, so let's having it the same way that we have done it for the head. Let's have just a few curved lines for shaping where the fur should be, and yes, perfect. And then we detail it a bit more, like having it here, and then I want it here, and then I want it here. Okay. And then we have the body. We will finalize the head later. So we have one like this here. Okay. Then we have the other leg. That can be this way, just simple as that, because it's a cute one. And then we have one leg for the back that closes like here, yes, and we can have for the feet, and a little tail that has to be puffy. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, let's create a little bit of hair here as well, like the tail, so it would be super puffy. And let's see here, and we have a few other shapes, so we can make them to be like, yes, perfect. And then we have the horns. The horns could be sort of, wavy. Okay, the other one is here, and then we do the other horn. Yes, and here as well. That's very cute. And we close the head in here. So, last thing last, well, not very last thing last, it's just the second last would be the face. Let's make her, I guess, to be very smiley. So we start from the mouth, which is in the middle, like let's say here. We can do this and this, and we can have the eyes to be very smiley with a couple of eyelashes because it's a her, and from the other side as well. 1 and 2. Yes. And then we have the nose. That could be a simple oval, like in there. Oh, looks pretty cute. Let's close it here. Yes. And last thing last, my girl, as usual, yes. We put a couple of ovals, one in here, and we color it, and the other one in here. Okay. And this one should be done as well. What do you think? Oh, well, I forgot one thing. Horns actually have lines inside.
Not all of them.
No, not all of them, but usually goats and this kind of kids, they have it.
Usually mommy goat, or grown-up goats have like wiggly horns like a circle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true.
And kids are like just like straight but a little crazy.
They're kind of different, all of them. So, what do you think? Can we close it this way? It's gonna look cool, right? Okay, guys, I hope you like it. And as usual, if you want, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!
Bye!